Guys, can you believe the price of vacuum cleaners these days? I mean, there are so many brands out there and some of them will cost you an absolute king's ransom. But guys, moving out the way here, not this one. This is the Oraimo UltraCleaner 5 and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Guys, the wonderful world of vacuum cleaners. Well, I've had a few, and in fact I remember in the 90s someone coming round from Kirby spending 3 hours in my house and then telling me that this thing was going to cost me like £2 grand, pounds, not dollars, pounds. Well, it's safe to say that I didn't buy it, but you know what, fast forward to 2022 and yes, there's still a lot of expensive vacuum cleaners about, but do you really need to spend a ton of money just to give your floors a quick once over? Well, I say not really, as this, let me pick it up here, there's a lot here, there's a lot of box here. This is the Oraimo UltraCleaner 5 and it's very cost effective and it's probably gonna do a very decent job at keeping your floors looking tip top. Now, if you don't know Oraimo, well, they make a ton of different cleaning products. And before we get into it, they sent me this UltraCleaner 5 to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion on it. And you know guys, if you follow my channel, you know that whatever I show you, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this unboxed and see what we have. So guys, we have some instructions. We have an extendable wand, a soft brush, a cleaning brush which has a tool on the other end to get hair off of the brush roller. We also have a charger, as of course this is battery powered, and we have a bracket for storage. We've got some wall fixings to fix that bracket to the wall, and then we have the main floor head and roller which has some LEDs attached and some bumper strips. And guys, we have the battery which is 22.2 volts. More on that in just a minute. Then guys, we've got the crevice tool, a spare filter which is washable, and lastly we've got the main unit itself. Boy, there's a lot of stuff in this box. Also guys, just to note, these attachments are all kind of pushed together, so you can kind of push them together in the main unit, or you can push them together on the end of the wand. So let's get this assembled and see it in action. First off guys, it seems very light, but I'm sure that's not a bad thing considering you're going to be carrying this around and pushing it around for a while. Light may be a good thing. Also, you can use the attachments, as I said, on the end of the wand, which is adjustable, or directly onto the main unit. So that's a pretty nice touch depending on where you need to get access to with this bad boy. So here we are guys in my studio. Now I'm forever trying to keep this place clean and tidy, but generally fail miserably. Anyway, let's give the carpet in here a quick buzz over and see how this UltraCleaner 5 performs. So, point to note guys, there are 2 motor speeds. Now apart from battery life, I'm not really sure why you wouldn't just keep this on the most powerful so that you could get through your cleaning tasks quickly, but like I said, 2 speeds, they're there in any case. And yeah, that battery life, well, on the slowest speed, even though this is a 22.2 volt battery, which is pretty big, you're going to get around 30 minutes, and on the fastest speed you're probably going to get about half that. But trust me guys, you know, after 30 minutes of vacuuming I think I'll be bored out of my brains. So Anyway, after that short stint, you can see this UltraCleaner 5 has picked up quite a bit of fluff. Okay, let's whip the wand off and have a go at a couple of steps. Same thing, only a few seconds of hoovering with this, or vacuuming, or whatever you want to call it. With the main roller attachment and the crevice tool, again, we have picked up a fair bit of fluff. Last test, let's see what we have on the old football table. I'm going to switch over to a soft brush for this. And there you go, after a few seconds, again, picking up a surprisingly big amount of dust. So guys, there you have it. This UltraCleaner from Oraimo is just the job. It's definitely got some sucking power, and it's pretty effortless and pretty portable. And I actually quite like the fact that it's got this bit in the handle that when you put your hand in there, it's actually really comfortable. So the fact that it's light and the fact that it's a fairly, what do they call it, ergonomic, it's nice. And because it's battery operated, it's pretty portable as well. So that's pretty good. Now, there are no hoses, so not sure about getting into all the nooks and crannies in a car, but around the house for a quick spruce up, it's pretty damn good. And guys, for £100, it is significantly cheaper than some. I'll also leave any links with product codes and discount codes, etc. Another thing to note are the filters are washable and easily replaced, as is the roller, and you get a 2-year warranty. It's kind of a bit of a no-brainer. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, or you want to know any more about this, or if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Say that a lot. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Oraimo for sending me this very useful piece of kit. The other thing I will quickly just say is you've got a battery indicator. I'm going to turn it on now. Does that come on? Oh, there you go. Second speed. So, just so that you can hear that. Yeah, anyway guys, I'm Dave for Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.